Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up and secure your Trust Wallet recovery phrase. Your backup keys in Trust Wallet is the single key to your funds, and you don't want to lose it or fall it into wrong hands. If that happens, you could lose access to your assets permanently. So before that, we can simply go ahead and back up our recovery phrases. So in order to do that, open the Trust Wallet application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your wallet. From the main home page, click on the main wallet drop down from the top of the screen, and then this will show your multi-coin wallets on the screen. To back up your wallet, you have two different options. Either you can back it up to iCloud or manually. In today's video, we are gonna back it up manually. So let's select Backup Manually and enter your passcode for your wallet. Check on these two boxes on the next page and click on Continue. Now your backup phrases or your seed phrases will be displayed on the screen. Never share your secret phrases with anyone and make sure to store it securely. Write it down in a piece of paper in the correct order and make sure that you keep it somewhere safe. After you write it down in a piece of paper, click on Continue. On the next page, confirm the secret phrases. Tap on the correct answer of the below seed phrases corresponding each numbers. Select your seed phrases from each lines and click Confirm. Now you have successfully backed up your recovery phrases. You can now click Save at the top right corner. Backing up and securing your Trust Wallet recovery phrase is one of the most crucial tasks in managing crypto safely. If done properly, it gives you peace of mind that your funds are not at risk of loss or theft due to backup failure or device loss. So that's how you easily back up your recovery phrases and secure your wallet in Trust Wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.